జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. Ramalakshmana did their Agni Karyam and they went to all the rishis and they are saying that now we are going to be leaving from this place. Then rishis saying that Rama, whatever the place that you are now going to go, it is all filled up with Rakshasaihi Samabhiplutam. All the Rakshasas over there. You have to be very careful. Those Rakshasas takes different forms and they do not even appear to us, but they will start killing human beings and eating away. There are so many wild animals also, they also do the same thing. And Rama, whenever these rishis, munis, they are not in their chastity, they are not in their homam or some puja, at that time, looking at that chance and all the Rakshasas killing these munis and torturing these munis. Rama, you have to take care of all of the rishis over here. Tan Nivaraya Raghava. All these Rakshasas should be thrown away from this place by you, Raghava. Like that, all the rishis gave a request to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Sita Rama Lakshmana were blessed by all the great rishis over there. Now Sita Rama Lakshmana getting into deep forest. Now Sri Ramachandra Swami along with Sita Lakshmana, they are entering into Dandakaranyam. Pravishyatu Maharanyam Dandakaranyam Dadarsha Ramo Durdharshah Tapasashrama Mandalam. With all amount of braveness, Sri Ramachandra Swami entering into dense forest. Rama getting to see there are so many ashramas. He is getting to see darbhas. He is getting to see all the naravastras of great sages and seers. They are drying their naravastras. He is getting to listen all kind of Veda Adhyayanam, Vedas chantings. Those Sita Rama Lakshmana is now looking at all ashramas. All ashramas are very divinely, traditionally decorated. All kind of animals also came there and taking rest without having any kind of fight with each other. Though one animal does not get along with other animal, but in that ashramam, in that place, the divine place, they totally forgot their animosity. All animals are taking rest. There are Agnihotras, Yajnapatras, Krishnajinam, Darbha, all Samidhas, Kalasas, all fruits, herbs, Pavitra, all these kind of things, Sri Ramachandra Swami noticing and getting to see all those divine things. There are so many big trees. All ashramas are releasing divine vibrations with Veda chanting, Veda Parayanam. There are so many ponds filled up with beautiful lotus. Like this, everywhere the entire atmosphere is releasing some divinity. And all rishis also, tapasvis, munis, all of them are looking like Surya Vaisvanarabhaischa Puranaihi Munibhirvrutam. They are glowing like sun and fire. That kind of all the great rishis, while meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.